Kansas City got a lot up on my mind. Man, I gotta grind. Gotta do what it takes to get the paper. Ain't got a lot of time. There's a lot of fakes in the world. Ain't trying to be a hater, but I gotta take care of my girl. So I ain't doing no favors. It's all fake with my eyes closed. I'm here, but my head gone. You think I need you, but you're dead wrong. Now you're listening to my song. Now if you know my family name, you know I gotta get it. So just for my family's sake, you gotta come with it. Rolling through the city, thinking about my history. Well, Kansas City miss me, but I feel empty, 'cause I swear I gotta make it. Release my sound, 'cause it's about time to get that crown. Hold up.
It's about time. You gon' be famous. Just keep this in mind. You ain't gotta need to make it whole up.
Wait,
Whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up.
hold up. No, I do not need no hold up. Wait, you rappers beware when I roll up. This game is over. Got the controller, pushing the power, they starting it over. They coming through with my dogs like a rover. Seeing me sketch, we taking over. Haters be talking, you know they ain't with it, man. I gotta get it, I'm all on my grind. People be talking, they wasting my time. Oh, that's a girl while she hitting my line, ripping these lines, but I ain't got no time. It is the day I sign in green. We be on our grind. Let's go. Through the city, thinking about my history. For Kansas City miss me, but I feel empty, 'cause I swear I gotta make it. Release my sound, 'cause it's about time to get that crown. Hold up.
It's about time. You gon' be famous. Just keep this in mind. You ain't gotta need to make it whole up,
Wait,
whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up,
whole up,
wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up,
hold up, wait,
whole up.
hold up. But I don't wanna be here. Got me feeling like a freak show. I know I'm the eyeball. Hometown got me weak though. So I'm working on my 10 to 10. Man, I wish it was a 9 to 5. But at least I got some work. So for that, I'm thankful, God. It's all fake with my eyes closed. I'm here, but my head gone. You think I need you, but you're dead wrong. Now you're listening to my song. Now if you know my family name, you know I gotta get it. So just for my family's sake, man.